How to connect your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro using the Bluetooth settings with a Windows 11 computer desktop or laptop. So let's get started. Going into the startup menu in your Windows 11 computer, go to settings, and when you're in the settings section on your left side, you'll see Bluetooth and devices. Clicking that once, you'll see the Bluetooth section right here, and you will go ahead and turn on the switch. So go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth switch. When you do that, you'll now go to where it says add device. And as you click on that, this window opens up. You're going to select the Bluetooth option. And then it's going to start searching for nearby devices. So if you have any other nearby Bluetooth devices on, you will also see them show up. Your Buds 2 Pro, when you open it up like this here, just give it a few seconds until it shows up in that search section here. You might get a quick access, as you see, to the bottom right section. If that doesn't show up, just continue to watch right here and you'll see Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. And you can select that. And when you select it, it will run the connection for you and it'll say connected, and you can just close that out. There is that there to show you battery percentage. And to the bottom right where the volume icon is in the taskbar section, when you click on that, that's going to give you all these here. And then to the right of the volume slider bar here, you'll click on that arrow. That'll give you access to these options here. And you want to make sure the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro is selected as the volume option. All right, so make sure that's there. Now, if you just so happen to not see that there, or you can't get the volume icon there, while in the main settings section here, go to System right there, then go to where it says Sound. And as you enter into the Sound section here, you'll see these options here. You have the output options, and you should see Buds 2 Pro here. So make sure you have that selected, and you'll get access to all of these other options as well. So Windows 11 has improved a lot, and you'll get access to all these different types of audio settings. All right, so that's your output section here. And you can just go down and look at what else is available. You can just back out of here, and again, make sure that's selected. Then if you go to the lower area here, you'll see the input section. So if you do plan to use your Buds 2 Pro as a mic, make sure you have the input section. The Buds 2 Pro is selected as your headset. So this way, if you need to speak through it or you're making an online call here, you will be able to use the Buds 2 Pro. And that's that. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.